Very good morning. The second part also, I would like to give you some more awards given by the ICAR. So, Lal Bahadur Shastri Award. So, this award is given to talented young scientists to recognize their outstanding original research contribution. Actually, four number of awards are given in a discipline wise. The disciplines are crop and horticulture sciences, animal and fishery sciences, NRM and agriculture engineering, and social sciences. Award given annually. Swami Sahaj Anand Saraswati Award. So this is exclusively meant for individual extension scientists or teachers for excellence in agriculture extension methodology and education work. Two individual awards are given annually. Then NASI ICAR Award. So this award is given for innovation and research on farm implements, mainly to reduce tragedy of farm women by development of farm implements, and also to encourage the researchers and innovators to develop a farm implement for the benefit of the farming community. This NASI ICAR Award is given. For the year 2018, Dr. P. Rajkumar of TNIU and Dr. Narendra Singh Sandal of ICAR, Central Institute of Agriculture Engineering, Bhopal, shared the award of that NASI ICAR award. Then Badruddin Ali Ahmad Award. So this is for outstanding research in tribal farming systems. So any person or a team of person engaged in applied research and its application in tribal areas of the country can apply. They are eligible to apply for this award. This award mainly to improve the biological resources or livelihoods or in original work directly applicable to the tribal farming system. Then Dr. Rajendra Prasad Praskar Award. So this is awarded for the authors who wrote original Hindi technical books in agriculture and allied sciences. Actually, this award is given for individual as well as team of authors. Nanaji Deshmukh ICAR Award. So this is given for outstanding interdisciplinary team research in agriculture and allied sciences. So minimum of 3 well-recognized disciplined people should involve in the interdisciplinary research. That should be of integrated research project. The final phase of the research work, including its field validation, must have been completed during the 5 years of preceding years for apply for this award. Then Chaudhary Saran Singh Award. So this is for excellence in journalism in agriculture and development. Actually, 6 number of awards are given. 4 awards for print media and 2 awards for electronic media. Jagjeevan Ram Abhinav Kisan Puraskar or Jagjeevan Ram Innovative Farm Award. So this award is given for the farmers whoever contributed in an innovative way, particularly development of adoption or modification of the technology or dissemination of the improved technology and practice for increased income with sustainability. So in this area, whoever that farmer contributed, they are awarded Jagjeevan Ram Abhinav Kisan Puraskar Award or Jagjeevan Ram Innovative Farmer Award. So the award also given in 2 categories, national level and zonal level. National level 1 award and zonal level 11 awards. So for the year 2018 at national level, 2 farmers shared the award. So those farmers are Sri Raghupat Singh of Uttar Pradesh and Sri Simran Rang of Punjab. NG Ranga Farmer Award. So this is also given for farmers. So mainly that innovative farmers of diversified agriculture. So 1 award is given annually. So for the year 2018, Uddhav Ashram Katkar of Maharashtra received this particular NG Ranga Farmer Award. Then Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Antyodaya Krishi Puraskar, national and zonal level, 2 awards are given. So national level 1 award, zonal level 11 awards. That is 1 award for each ATARI zones. So this is mainly for recognize the contribution of the marginal, small and landless farmers for developing sustainable integrated models of farming. So for the year 2018, Sri Sitaram Nigwal of Madhya Pradesh received this particular award. In Health Organic Farming Awards, so this award is also given for the farmers. So any organic certified farmers and grower in organic farming and related activities in the area of field crops, horticulture crops, medicinal crops or milk products with an experience of 5 years in organic farming, including certification period, is also eligible. So this award is given for the farmers, that is a Calder Organic Farmer Award. So for the year 2018, 2 farmers shared this award. So the name of those farmers are Srimati Lalit Mugdi of Madhya Pradesh and through P. Saravanan of Tamil Nadu. So with that I have covered almost all the awards given by the ICAR. Thank you very much.